100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and spun out until it's just damp. And it looks like it's been folded because it has been folded to try and see if this is going to work. So we're going to start with the diagonal fold, and this is inside out. So I'm going to use a yardstick here. To try and get this to be nice and smooth. There might be some noises in the background. My phone is getting some messages. Alright. So that's done. Then we're going to go ahead and do this again. Going to make up the center point because it's a guess. Because I'm going to try to line this up somewhere over here. That wasn't right. That can be. Alright. Then let's go ahead and fold these back. Diagonally. There we go. Oh. And I gotta clear stuff out of my work area here. I might have to redo that one if I can't get that one. Oh, it was right. Clear your work area so you don't snag on stuff. Alright, I'm going to flip this over. And flip it over. There we go. Line that up. We already have this, so we've got a pretty good place where we can put the ruler. Alright. See, it works better when you don't have stuff all over on the sides. Alright. Now I'm going to take it this way, since that's the only way I can really take it. And do one more fold. There. The whole thing. Try to reline that. And then we'll do the whole thing again this way. Alright. Now we're going to do something different. We're going to roll it. Or twist it, or turn it, or bop it. Alright. Now whether to run up this line or this line, I've got a whole lot more edges on this side. So if I go this way, that's going to flare more, so we're going to go this way. We're going to go ahead and have a larger rubber band ready to put around this. like a nautilus. Pull that around. Alright, let's see if I have something that can go around the edge. Maybe one of those red ones. Actually, it does look like a nautilus. Kind of cool. Question is how to dye it. Do I dye it as a spiral? Do I throw this out as a YouTube short? I don't know. We'll let it sit for a bit, and then we'll be off to dye. Alrighty. This was tied on March 2nd, 2025. Today is August 26th, 2025. So we're shooting at almost 6 months. This is the last time I tied one up, until yesterday, actually. Alrighty, so I'm going to dye this upside down, simply because of that. And we're just going to do it in a bowl, so that it, I don't know, should I? Or should I? I'm really torn of just putting dye on the bottom. You know what? We'll go ahead and do it this way. It's fine. Alright, I'm going with the single one of Dharma's Black Ice. It's one of the ice dye colors. So I'm going to throw some ice down real quick, and then we'll put some of the black ice on. Okay, I'm piling the ice really tall in the center with the idea that if it travels further, it'll split more. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what we're going with. So, let's go ahead and put the dye on. So we'll let this melt through, see what it looks like, and it's just going to sit here for a couple of days probably. Let's see what happens. Okay, I went ahead and poured out all the extra water and flipped it over. And you can see there's some parts that aren't dyed. I'm going to add some soda ash. Oh, I guess I should grab that. Some soda ash, and then I'm going to use Interstellar just over the top of it, and then add some ice, just to make sure I get good coverage. And these are similar dyes, so it should work out. Alright, we'll let that melt through. It has been, at least 24 hours since it fully melted, probably closer to 36. So let's go ahead and wash this out. Alright. So let's go throw that in the wash and see what we end up with. Here we have the front and the back. For something that's been sitting for 6 months, I'm just not happy. There's too much of a difference between these two sides. This is out of place. This is splotchy up here too. That kind of stuff. Not happy with it. No really cool pattern or anything. Yeah, I don't really have anything to say. So this video may not see the light of day, or it may be one of those that I drop if I just run out of other things. Alrighty. Until next time, thanks for watching.